We have a circle that contains a point P that we want to know its position. The only thing we should know is the angle of P. If we calculate the cosine of the angle multiplied by the radius, we get the x component of P. If we calculate the sine of the angle multiplied by the radius, we get the y component of P. An important detail is that for these values to be correct, the angle must be in radians, not degrees. To convert the angle from degrees to radians, we multiply by a value. Let's see how we can use this in game development. Let's create two variables. The first one is count, which represents the number of objects we want to instantiate. The second one is radius, representing the distance from the center. Let's create a third variable, angle steps, equal to 360 divided by the count. If full rotation equal to 360 divided by the count, it will give us in this case 10 equal angles. Let's add another variable, angle, which will contain our current angle, and at first we assign to it angle steps, which is 36 in this case. We iterate through counts. In each iteration, we calculate the y and x components of the angle, like we have seen before. The cos and sine of the angle convert to radians multiplied by the radius. Instantiate an object in this position. At the end, increment the angle by angle steps and repeat the same process. And this is the final result. We can manipulate these two parameters to generate some interesting patterns. And this is some additional examples of what we can create with this algorithm.